For 5,000 years, this secret belonged to one nation. Death was the penalty for revealing it. Layer by layer, the worm seals itself inside. A golden tomb, built from its own body. Zhejiang province feeds the world's oldest luxury trade. Every leaf here is destined to become silk. Thousands of tiny mouths work without stopping. This sound, soft as rain, is silk growing. These worms carry liquid silk inside their bodies. One nod from the worker, and the spinning begins. The moment the worm touches the frame, it begins. A thread thinner than a human hair, pulled live. 2 full days disappear in a matter of seconds. Each worm vanishes inside a cloud of its own making. The workers' hands move like they've done this forever. Each cocoon holds something still alive. For now, hot water does what no human hand can. The Saracen gum begins to loosen and release. Somewhere in this golden mass hides a single thread. Finding it requires patience older than the factory itself. One thread alone would snap under almost any tension, but together they become something that cannot be broken. The machine now takes over, relentless and precise. Excess water is squeezed out, strand by strand. The spool grows thicker with every quiet rotation. Hundreds of meters of silk from a single batch. A rack of golden spools glows under factory lights. Each one cost thousands of silkworms their cocoon. Individual filaments now wrap around each other under tension. What emerges is no longer thread, it's yarn. 90 degrees strips away the last of the gum. The silk emerges creamy white and impossibly soft. Hot air finishes what the bath started. The fiber is now ready to drink in color. The silk enters white and resurfaces transformed. Indigo sinks into every fiber, all the way through. The indigo hanks sway slowly in the open air. By the time they're dry, the color is permanent. Hundreds of parallel threads are now laid side by side. This foundation will hold the entire fabric together. Each thread must pass through a needle-sized eye alone. There are no shortcuts in this part of the work. The worker pulls the lever, and the warp tightens. 1,000 threads hum like a single instrument. The shuttle moves faster than the eye can follow. Slowly, inch by inch, the fabric comes alive. The loom releases what the silkworm first imagined, a fabric that holds both light and shadow inside. Even one flaw here can end the fabric's journey. The workers' hands know exactly what they're looking for. One final bath, and the silk forgets its stiffness. What emerges is softer than anything the hand expects. Steam and pressure do what no iron can match. The silk emerges glossy, glowing from within. The shears follow a line that allows no mistakes. Every centimeter of this fabric has already been earned. A single piece of fabric holds a garment's entire future. The template falls across the silk like a shadow. The blade follows the pattern without hesitation or error. Each piece falls away, perfectly cut, perfectly clean. 2 panels must now become one, seamlessly. The glass pins hold the silk like a promise. The needle moves through silk so fine it barely resists. One wrong pull, and the seam is ruined. Before the collar can be attached, it must be perfect. Steam sets the fold, and the fold holds. Each stitch picks up barely 3 threads of silk. The collar attaches itself invisibly, by design. The sleeve curve is the hardest seam to get right. The seamstress slows down and takes it stitch by stitch. The hem is folded not once, but twice. A hand stitch gives it a drape no machine can. The awl separates fibers, rather than cutting through them. This buttonhole will outlast everything else on the garment. Each button is wrapped and tied by hand alone. They catch the light like tiny drops of silk. The leftover fabric will not go to waste here. A long, precise cut transforms it into the sash. One seam, then the belt folds back on itself. It emerges with clean edges and a soft weight. The kimono settles onto the stand, and the room changes. What began as a leaf has become this. Every seam, every button, examined under magnified light. 0 defects. The certificate of authenticity is attached. The folding is its own art, precise and deliberate. Each crease is placed exactly where it belongs. The lacquer box closes with a single soft click. Everything inside, months of labor, sealed away. These boxes are headed to Tokyo, Kyoto, and Paris. A mulberry leaf, now bound for the world. In the lab, they push the silk to its limit. The snap records a strength earned over thousands of years. These hands built something the world will wear. The indigo beneath the nails tells the whole story. By sunset, the factory has done it again. Another day, another kimono sent into the world. One room tells the complete story of silk, cocoon, thread, loom, and then the kimono. They are the same thing, separated only by time. One still raw, one already a masterpiece. The kimono was never meant to hang still. It comes alive the moment a person wears it. Held against the sun, the weave becomes visible. Every thread placed by a hand that cared. A single brushstroke, and the scuff disappears. Silk is one of the few fabrics that forgives. The flame touches the silk, and then retreats. Silk does not burn the way most things burn. Under the microscope, silk reveals its real secret, a triangular prism, nature's own light reflector. The kimono is folded one final time. Tissue wraps around it like a quiet farewell. The truck pulls away, and the factory lets go. Somewhere, someone is waiting without knowing why. The hands still carry faint traces of indigo. That is the mark of someone who made something real. From larva to luxury, the same unbroken line. Every stage connected, every hand part of the story. The thread that started everything now rests here. The lid closes, and the circle is complete.
This video is created for educational purpose using AI tools. The scripts and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors' concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using Veo 3, Meta, Grok, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or use any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not represent AI visual as real footage.